I'm pasting a video. Hey. So, that's my brother right there. My mean brother that just made me cry. Not really cry, but bye-bye. Hi, guys. Hey, get the camera out of here.
Alright.
She has your camera. It's a little blurry, but Daddy's redoing the bathroom. Some more. Yeah. I'm just gonna look for a walk. Some more. Because they can hide it.
I think that's like equestrian, but it doesn't even show up on that map.
This might be a little mucky. Let's go this way, Elias. So we don't get in the mud.
Yeah, go out around it. You gonna move?
You like it?
No.
Huh?
Get mine off.
Oh, you don't need to get the mud off.
Oh wait, the yellow says right there.
Well, that's the one that goes to the right.
Also, we taking this one?
Well, yeah, we're just going out around it.
It says blue though.
No, it doesn't.
There's a blue thing on the tree.
So is this not the first left?
We got.
I think that's the wrong one.
I'm pretty sure we gotta go.
Oriented right?
Because that's blue.
Is that because the map is oriented in right?
Well, no, I know north, south, east, and west. If we find a ditch big enough to hide a human in,
Put me in it, please.
I might.
Bite.
Right there.
Let's put this back.
It's right there. Right there's yellow.
Like the trees are painted yellow.
My gosh. What, buddy?
Dad, why did you bring your gun and your knife?
In case somebody tries to take us.
I don't like going in forest.
Huh?
If I had a stick, I would hit him in the face.
That's a good idea.
Yep.
That's why I brought the gun, so I could hit him in the face with it.
And shoot him with it?
In the toe.
Huh?
Shoot him in the toe.
I hear it.
You know what it is?
How in the world did you hear that?
It's a woodpecker.
Yeah, he can't hear me sitting beside him,
Huh?
but he can hear a freaking woodpecker.
I didn't hear it.
Where's the woodpecker?
It pecks wood, just like it sounds.
Where
How
is
much wood
it?
would a woodpecker peck if a woodpecker could peck wood?
Dad, up here.
He's up in a tree somewhere. So we're camping. Well, we're hiking right now, but we're camping. This is outing number 2. We didn't actually film number 1. I can't remember why, because I'm a slacker, most likely. But I decided, I believe we need to go this way. Yep.
Not what way.
Oh, there's Mommy. Hi, Mommy.
Not what way.
Anybody notice how skinny she is? Oh, you stop it.
Now what way?
Yeah, I'll see her with her clothes on. You know
Yellow.
what I'm saying? Oh, boo. You're an asshole.
Me?
Asshole. Get it?
At least they use tissue.
Easy, bud.
Looks like there.
Uh-uh.
A big old tree fell off. Looks like there's a tree growing into it.
Oh, wow.
There's bikers. They might be dropping down in here.
Is this a trail for that?
I believe this is the one Josh and I rode.
Yeah. Leave all that stuff in there though, guys.
So we just found this thing.
We don't have any more rocks left.
Whoa, I don't have this thing.
No, they all stay in here. All right, that'll work.
Yeah, I don't think I have
Look at this. That's crazy.
What?
Cleveland, Ohio.
Holy crap.
Here, I thought it was maybe one of them games where you try to find something.
Well, I'm sure it probably is.
Right?
Yeah.
And rehide it so, well then, we don't have to.
It don't have to be re-hid here.
We'll just take it with us and look through it.
The last time it was hid was 7/27, so
What's
it's
all
been
this
here that
stuff
long.
in there, Kelly?
727.
Just toys?
Yeah, like
That's
toys,
a lie.
that booklet.
That's
This
freaking
thing.
nuts.
The yo guys.
So we're down
Yeah.
here on this trail walking, right?
All right, so put, no. Wait till you in.
And I don't know why we stopped. Oh, Dad was saying we were looking at this tree that's broke off right here. And he's like, it looks like it's been chopped.
I'll let him take a video.
So then I climbed up on here and was looking at the tree up close. And this thing was, here, I'll put it right back in there. I think it was down like that.
Yeah.
About like that right there. So I get up here, I'm like, what the heck? Pull it out, and it's got, I guess it's kind of like what they're doing with all these rocks now, where they hide stuff.
It was hidden, Seth.
It started all the way back in 2012.
What was the date that was hidden? Like
July 27th, I think.
Oh, so it's been here a while.
Yeah.
Good fun, buddy.
So there's a little notebook, and it's got all the dates when it started. 10/26/12. And then all the names, people. Some of them put the, look, Troop 328 must have found it. That's crazy.
Yeah.
Here, I thought it was like a, I mean, it's an ammo box, but I thought
Might have found some goodies.
I might have found like a hand or something in there is what I was thinking.
I was thinking more like cash.
That never even entered my mind. That'd have been way better. Here. That's cool, man.
I just think
if you would, I just get ready to say, if you wouldn't have stopped, if we wouldn't have stopped, I just said that. I was like, I don't know why we did, but we stopped and you started talking about that tree and how it was twisted and chopped, and then I get up close to it. That's funny.
Well, you found your treasure today.
Huh? Oh, honey, I found my treasure 9 years ago.
Whoa.
You weren't together 9 years ago.
Oh, 8 years ago.
Some water?
Okay, Elias. You ready? Did I film that on here? I don't even remember now. Yeah, I did.
Him falling?
I did remember. No, I'm talking about that find.
Oh, yeah.
I thought I did. So everybody's kind of dwindling here. Because, well, we've been walking up a mountain.
Yeah. We gotta be getting close.
When your legs are this short, whoo-wee, it's like walking on tiny sausages here. Okay, well, the walk is over. Thanks for that torturous adventure. For some reason, Kristen loves to go hiking. I don't know why. I'll do it. I wouldn't say I love it.
Shut up.
But now. Ice cream. Ice cream, you scream. We all scream for ice cream.
Ice.
Did you hear me?
Ice.
Can you do it?
Ice.
What?
What I just did.
Ice cream. You scream. We all scream for ice cream.
You're so enthusiastic
Oh, I
about it.
know.
Dude, isn't this fun?
Oh, so fun. Dude, how many times are you going to go to the bathroom today?
4,000 times.
I guess so.
I just need. Oh, wait.
So that front end on that one's kind of rounded.
That ain't it either.
Okay.
They must be hiding the rock.
Oh. Hey, guys! 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 You're being talked to. What? You would that camera that on.
On that ball?
Yeah.
Not right now.
No. You would that camera on.
On there.
Huh?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's where it goes. But we're not going to do it right now. We're all done for now. So we're done camping. I got out of there pretty early, actually. It's like 11 o'clock-ish. We knew, this garage, my gosh. We knew that we were not going to have much time today. The weather is supposed to rain, so it could be raining any moment. But I need to go take care of something. And then take a shower, and then I'm gonna mow. And I get done whenever I get done, I guess. But finally got them trees cut down out there. They were all dead and they needed to be cut. Anyway, you helping?
Yeah.
Yeah? Hey, you're driving me nuts.
You definitely not. You definitely.
I got a lot of cleanup to do. I gotta get all this thrown away. The trash trailer, I gotta get this stuff put away because it's not trash. A couple doors I need to get stored. Well, one's thrown away. Oh no, they're both getting stored. And then we tore out my bathroom not too long ago, and I haven't finished it yet, but that stuff's, the tub surround is all sitting up here on the porch, so I gotta get that taken care of. What are you doing, kitty cat? Hmm? What are you doing, kitty cat? Hmm? Hi, kitty, 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 kitty. Kitty, 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 kitty. No, Chief. Kitty, 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 kitty. Why are you such a bully?